1508 North 57th, dates June 8th, 2022, making the final recording of the completed sewer repair work done by Bob Oates Plumbing. What we're looking at is the 6-inch diameter common line that this home shares with a few of the neighboring homes on this block. It runs up and down the sidewalk in front of the homes. This is original concrete, the common line is. It's original 6-inch concrete line. But that is not part of the work that Bob Oates performed. That is downstream of that work. We're coming back from that 6-inch diameter common line immediately into the 4-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner that was installed by Bob Oates Plumbing. So there's a 4-inch diameter liner. One of the 4 sections that was installed. This is the excavation point where Bob Oates excavated a 9-foot deep hole in the front yard area and installed an upstream cleanout. We come right back out of that 4-inch diameter PVC with the cleanout into a 4-inch diameter section of that new flow liner again. See that liner lips into the PVC. This is an existing section of SDR35 PVC on the opposite side of the home from where I'm making this recording. See that liner lips into the PVC just like we had tried. That's actually the kitchen lines connection on the right side of this screen. The right side of that Y, that's the kitchen line connection to the rest of the plumbing to the home. This is existing SDR35 PVC. This was not installed by Bob Oates. But on the back end, on the upstream side of that SDR35, we come into a section again of that 4-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. This is along the front of the home. It's about a 30-foot stretch of liner that went along the front side of the home. Come back into another section of existing SDR35 PVC. You see that the liner again lipped into that PVC there. And on the back side of that SDR35 PVC that was existing, that was not installed by Bob Oates. Actually, that might be Schedule 40. But either way, it was not installed by Bob Oates Plumbing. We lipped into it on liner on the back side of that as well. So another section of liner. And this section wraps around this final corner and back into the cast iron piping. You can see that the liner lips into that cast iron piping as it exits the home. And there is the cleanout I'm making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.